What's up, my good people? So there's something I want to let you know, that 80% of the losses most people get on DERIV are not genuine losses. Most of these losses are through trade manipulation. So avoid over trading, have what you call a trading discipline, work with a realistic target profit. Let's say, for example, if you deposit something like $50 and you target something like $20 each and every day, that's a realistic target profit, and you will be able to hit it within a very short time. But the moment you deposit something like $10 and you're targeting for something like $50, it's realistic but almost unrealistic. It will actually have to take you so many trades to actually hit that target profits. Understand that the higher the capital, the higher the capital, the easier to hit the TP, the easier to achieve your target profits, and the lower the risk. But this one does not come without the application of the skills. You need first of all to learn trading. Then once you are done, you learn trading, then look for some good capital and get into trading. Skills and capital, they are very much important when it comes to trading. The capital will save you from over trading because you will be able to hit your target profit at very early. You really don't have to take so many trades for you to be able to hit your target profit. Something else that I want to let you know is that most of these maintenance that you see on DERIV are not sometimes I believe they might not be doing any kind of maintenance. Most of these maintenance are just a way to alert you that they want to manipulate trades, because they'll alert you like we are doing maintenance and probably it is in the 6 in the morning and it'll only last for 30 minutes. But if you happen to trade throughout the day, if you try to run the robots will be hanging on losses. Probably you'll just run the robot, then after a few minutes when the trades are still on, the robot will just hang, and it doesn't hang when you're on profit. These robots hang when you're on losses. Those who are experienced and those who have happened to get to the market when they are this kind of maintenance, they know what normally happens. These robots normally hang on losses, and by the end of the day you lose money. So anytime you get that notification, or you get on DERIV and you receive that pop-up notification that the site is being updated, avoid trading, because the moment you get into that robot and into that market, it is either you incur multiple consecutive losses, for example even 5, 6, 7 losses without recovering, or the robot will start hanging. And you know, the moment for example you take your first loss and the robot hangs, right? Even if you stop that robot and refresh the website and restart it, it won't proceed from where you left. It will start running afresh. Yeah. So anytime you realize there's some kind of maintenance, or you get that pop-up notification that there's the site is being updated, just close your machine, close your device, and run away. Run with your money, because by the end of the day, if you happen to get into that market, chances of losing money are very high. Most people normally lose money on DERIV because of going against the market. Yeah. You get that pop-up notification that the site is being updated, then you still go ahead and take trades. Then the moment you lose money, you start saying I didn't know. So the best thing you can do is avoid trading during maintenance. Anytime you receive an update that there is the site is being updated, avoid trading. Always run and your money will always be safe. Sawa sawa, tuendelee kuchanuana. Bye bye.